Hi everyone, we're back in here again. So my car, I lent out to my uncle while I was working on his Hummer, and he drove it a couple times. And at some point, it wouldn't start anymore. He woke up one morning trying to take it out, and it would not start. So I went later in the evening to go look at it, and it turns out it's a starter issue. The starter was failing. So that's what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna replace the starter. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and yeah. So to start, you got your air funnel here. There's two body clips here that you need to pop out. After that, you need to undo this sensor, and then this whole assembly here will just come right out. After that, you have to take the air box out, which is mine is held by 4 bolts. I get that this bracket's here, but this bracket is broken off the tabs, so it's only 1, 2, 3, 4 right here, and those are all 10mm bolts. After that, you undo the MAF sensor here. You undo these vacuum lines here that runs through this module. You have to undo the throttle cable out of these clips. Undo these vacuum hoses here. Undo this clamp. Maybe undo that clamp. Usually I just undo that clamp and then just take this whole piece out. So it should be only 1, then 2, and then the starter is right underneath all of this. It's literally right there. So I'm gonna get all that taken care of, and then we'll go from there.
Look, yeah, ever since I turned 23, everybody's like, where you going? Yeah, where's the money at? Where's your job? How you growing up? Better know I get down. Made a lot of moves, they gon' pay off right now. Playing my sound as they roll through my town. I've been the underdog. What they say, what they say, what they say now. Yeah, yeah. Look, cause I've been out making my way. I know they gon' love me. Yeah, and all of my fans, my fam, just know you can trust me. Oh yeah, so fuck what they saying, boy, I got the passion, I got the vision, I see their distractions. They probably ask and react, but I won't fall for no illusions. Yeah, don't make this confusing, cause we've been all out for the same things. We go all out for the same things. Fall for no illusions. Yeah, don't make this confusing, cause we've been all out for the same things. We go all out for the same things. Yeah, oh that's what they say, that's what they say. I heard it before. Yeah, all them opinions, oh yeah, I heard it before. But all of them sounding the same. All that materialism gon' fade. All of them fade, telling me what to do, what they say when it's summed up like conclusions. Always with problems and never solutions. All of that shit that you talk is pollution. I changed my perspective, I made this conducive. Lucidly thinking we all want the same drugs. That money, that power, that lack of love. But I misdirected your misperceptions. I'm moving forward, I've had enough. But I won't fall for no illusions. Yeah, don't make this confusing. Yeah, cause we've been all out for the same things. We go all out for the same things. Fall for no illusions. Yeah, don't make this confusing. Cause we've been all out for the same things. We go all out for the same things. Yeah, don't make this confusing. Don't make this confusing. Fall for no illusions. But I won't fall for no illusions. Yeah, don't make this confusing. Cause we've been all out for the same things. We go all out for the same things. Fall for no illusions. Yeah, don't make this confusing. Cause we've been all out for the same things. We go all out for the same thing. Yeah.
So now that that's all out of the way, here's our starter here. Never changed it before, so I'm gonna spend the next few minutes figuring out how to take it off, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so we figured it out. So there is one connector here that hooks up to this connector. You undo that one. You undo this terminal here, and after that there's only two bolts that are holding it. A 17 millimeter, and right underneath this here, I thought I was gonna have to cut this off, but it looks like I may be able to get to it. There's a 14 millimeter right here. You take those two bolts out, and once this electrical is all done, this should come right out. Also, two important things that I think I should mention. Before you start taking the starter out, you should probably undo the battery so that way there's no electricity running through those wires. And to get those two bolts out, I used a universal joint with an extension to get it out. In case if you guys are wondering, and they may be tight, so you may need to use a regular ratchet with a pipe to give you leverage. So it would go something like that, and then you can control how much leverage you need based on it. So just two tidbits to give. And there you have it. It's all out. Look at that. I think it's the original. Hasn't been changed in what, 19 years? But it's the new one we're going to. So let's get this thing in. So we have a problem. And the problem is that little piece of metal right there, it's blocking that. So we're gonna take care of that right now. Remember to always wear safety glasses when you're doing this. There we go. Alright, new starter's in, all the wires are hooked up. So we can't start it because the MAF sensor's not in place, nor is the airflow sensor in place, but we can trick it by putting this here, right? And where did that thing go? Oh, it's right here. Hooking that up as such. So that one's in place. And then you simply take the air box, stick that thing just right there, as so. Take this, connecting the MAF sensor back in place, and now it should be able to start. I'm gonna get my keys. Oh, probably should hook this up first. Right, that's always important. Alright, should do it. Give it a shot. Alright. Instantly. And don't worry about that. That's normal for my car. Maybe not. Probably should put everything back together. Alright, so everything's back in place how it's supposed to be. Let's go ahead and test this out properly this time. Alright, let's see, that's the key. Clutch in, key in. Perfect. Looks good to me. That's how you do it. Another job well done. Leave a like if you liked the video. Subscribe if you want to see more. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Later.